John, Jacqueline, these refrigerated trailers were first used in the spring to refrigerate some of the testing samples at different testing locations throughout the valley, but now they're being set up for a possible surge in COVID-related deaths. There is one here, 10 others spread out at various funeral homes in the valley, and 4 more on standby just in case. The Clark County Office of the Coroner Medical Examiner is just like any other business.
We have employees that may or may not have been exposed, and then they have to take time off. We're dealing with shifting work, some people working from home, those types of things. And then, of course, we have seen an increase in business.
The increased workload is not the only challenge.
We have a different way that we have to respond to hospitals because they're limiting the number of people that are coming in. We're handling calls differently when we go to people's homes, because if it's a COVID exposure, then we have to be careful about entry, the wearing of proper PPEs, making sure that we have those products that are available.
Now that the holidays are over, experts are predicting new COVID cases and deaths will rise, and the coroner's office could be faced with yet another obstacle: having enough space.
In any situation, especially when you're talking about emergency management, remember the goal is to prepare for the worst and hope for the best. And we're in that situation right now.
This refrigerated trailer is now being set up to accommodate an increase in deaths.
It's in anticipation of a possible surge to make sure that we're able to handle anything that comes.
Depending on how it's set up, the trailer can accommodate anywhere from 40 to 60 decedents. Something like this is normally used for a mass casualty incident.
The refrigeration units, you need to get them before you need them. Because we're in a national situation, these units are being utilized across the nation, not just here in the Las Vegas area. And now that 2020 is behind us, the coroner is looking at all of the stats from last year. Coming up at 6, the coroner discusses some of the changes he's seeing so far. Reporting live, I'm Enzo Marino, Fox 5 News, local Las Vegas.